everybody. Welcome to Data on the Move. I am Traylor with Komprise, and I have with me today again Krishna Subramanian, our COO and co-founder. Hi, Krishna.
Hi, Polly. How are you?
Great. Good to see you as always. So today we are getting together to talk about AI and specifically the intersection of unstructured data and AI. So we've been hearing more about this all the time, getting the right data sets to AI. And so we're really excited to talk more about that. But to get us started, Krishna, can you talk a little bit about what we mean by getting the right data sets? What are some really cool new use cases that you've heard about with AI or Gen AI when it comes to unstructured data?
It's unlocked a lot of potential. So imagine if you could have something, find interesting things across many videos by looking for certain keywords, by understanding the videos and saying where those keywords appear. So you don't have to sit there and watch, hours of lectures to find when there was somebody was talking about a particular polynomial equation or something. Or, imagine having a doctor being able to search across many images to find a particular place where a tumor showed up without them having to open and look at every image manually. So that's the kind of power you can have with AI if it has the right data to look at and if it's trained with the right data, right? So it's two things. It's training the model with the right data, but then feeding the right corporate data, to get tagged.
Sure, yeah, it makes sense. And it's just so, I love the examples you gave because it just shows that all this data that's been kind of sitting around on file servers and on big storage arrays for years now actually can have more of a purpose. But there are some challenges with that data, getting it ready, getting it prepared, finding it, enriching it, and also making sure it's safe. And so organizations have a lot of things to figure out when it comes to feeding the right data sets to AI, but they may not have, millions of dollars unless you're maybe NASA or something. So how do you do that? Or maybe just even how do you get started with that workflow in getting the data and making sure that it's ready for AI?
So the interesting thing, Polly, is that today a lot of the work that's being done in AI is kind of being done by data scientists that are trying to train models, and they're dealing with, maybe they are doing the work of taking data and vectorizing it or creating kind of a database from it and feeding it to the AI and all of that. But just imagine where we want to go. What organizations really want to be able to do is they want any employee to be able to leverage AI in a responsible way with the proper data governance. That means that anybody should be able to point AI at corporate data. Anybody should be able to, customize AI, inference using, their corporate data to augment a prompt. And when you think about anybody wanting to use AI, you have to make it much easier to automate these data workflows. You must have a systematic way to find the data, to feed it correctly, to audit what is being fed, to not have everybody having to learn all the processes and having to follow all the processes and learn every API and things like that. And it's that, automation at scale, bringing that point and click simplicity to AI, that's where we are focused with our smart data workflow manager. And if somebody is really interested in trying it, if you just want to say, hey, I want to see how I can use AI to tag all the images I have to find people in images, or I want to use AI to transcribe my audio files. If you have applications like that where you just want to try using AI on your data, our smart data workflow manager is a simple way to get started and to try those things.
So this is just the start. We're going to have a lot more on this as we go, and I'm really happy to hear about it. Great to see you again, and we'll just catch up again next time. Thanks
Sounds
again. Any
good.
more? Yeah, if you want to learn more about this, please go to komprise.com and you will find all the info. Search on smart data workflows, and thanks so much for your time.
Thank you, Polly.